Thank you for joining me today. This is a continuation video, and this is the first area of specialization under media. If you want vocational training, you want to go into media, and you don't know which options you have, all career options are being explained here. And under Berufe Rundum Archiv, Bibliothek und Dokumentation, this is the third area of specialization. Second and the first have been explained in previous videos. Please watch them. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have, thank you very much. In this video, I'll be discussing the third area of specialization. That's the third career path in this first area of specialization, and that is the medizinische Dokumentationsassistent thing. That's medical documentation assistant. The duration for this is 2 to 5 years. You can take it as full-time or part-time training, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. Like, it's a recognized training. What do? They are into information management, all medical information management. They encrypt data and information and design keywords for forms and documentation. They build data sets and make sure that they are secured and maintained. They make sure that there's a smooth flow of professional information in all areas of healthcare and pharmacy. Anything that has to do with healthcare and pharmacy information, they make sure it is a smooth flow for the professionals and it is encrypted. Where do they find employment? They find employment in clinics, they find employment in hospitals, in larger doctor practices, in pharmaceutical and chemical industries. They find employment at medical faculties of the university or health insurance companies and at medical software manufacturing authorities. That is manufacture anything that has to do medical companies, medical insurance, medical practices, medical manufacturers of health equipment. Defined employment there. What do you need to get into this qualification? You need the certificate. You need to get into this vocational training. You need your Mittelbildungsabschluss. That's your intermediate level education. If you have something higher than that, then definitely you are going to be accepted. But anything lower than that, you are not going to be accepted into this vocational training. Anything lower than your intermediate level education, you are not going to be accepted. But if you have anything higher than that, definitely you are coming into this vocational training. If you're interested in documentation and you're interested in medicine as well, then this is a career you want to look into because this is a medical documentation assistant training. The duration also is 2 to 5 years, as I've said earlier, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training. Feel free to share this with family and friends. It can help someone. Don't give up on your careers because only you can stop you.